Did Iron Man just win the Olympics? Iron Man or Sungbin, the South Korean Olympian gold medalist in men's skeleton competition. This guy amazed the world and made history by being the first athlete outside of Europe or North America to medal in an Olympic sliding sport. But this is not what got him the title of Iron Man. It was more his superhero-style helmet. The superhero style chosen by the athlete was the best choice to describe what they go through in this extreme sport. Sliding on ice with the speed of 80 miles per hour made it look like Iron Man was rushing to one of his missions to save the world. The athlete made a great performance, which made fans all over the world share multiple tweets, pics, and videos about him. What did you guys think about his performance, and who was your favorite athlete in this competition? Tell us in the comments.